Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Classic Cut by Raquel Welch in the color RL19 23SS, also known as Shaded Biscuit. Now, this color is one that I actually used on the test that I made for my new round of CCHD hires. I put this one in a question where I was like, here are all of these shaded platinums. Now which one's different? Now if the people could see the colors, it'd be easy to say, oh, this is definitely not a shaded platinum color. So it definitely doesn't look like, say, the SS613 or the 102S8 from Jon Renau. So those colors look very, very similar. And this color is not like those colors. And, you know, so it was my way of gauging how much my applicants knew about really light rooted blondes, right? Pretty smart. So none of them got it right, by the way. Not a single person who took the test. But that's all right, you know, that's what we're here to train people on. And that's another thing that I did there, was to try to gauge, you know, where the starting points are for me in my training process. So, but anyway, it's really good to know this stuff just for your own reference, because if you could see this color in real life, you'd know it's not really as light as some of the pictures and videos on some of my competitors' websites, which would have you believe. Just check that out. Not really that light. It's kind of like a medium blonde that has a light blonde in it. And in fact, let me dissect the color code for you. It's not even a medium blonde. The 19 is actually like an ash brown. It's like a really dynamic sort of sandy ash brown. And then on top of that, you've got a 23, which is a really lovely sort of Nordic platinum almost. I mean, it's not quite a platinum, but it's like almost a platinum. It's a very light blonde. But that's just the highlight color. And then the rooting is basically like a medium brown. You know, so this color is really, really pretty and it's very dynamic. But if you're looking for a platinum, this ain't it. Instead, this one reminds me a lot of the 22F16 from the Jon Renau line. So if you like that kind of color, this one's really similar, except you get a root, which is awesome. This is a true to life fiber wig, which is a really, really pleasant feeling heat-friendly synthetic fiber. Just bear in mind, heat-friendly synthetic fibers require a little bit different care than regular synthetics. You can read about that on our website, so make sure you check that out before you think of buying one of these. But yeah. This is a really classic bob, hence the name, you know, it's like a classic little page. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see what Classic Cut looks like on all sides. This is just a really cute, basic little wig. Classic Cut is 2.75 ounces. The front is 4 inches, so for me it's a little bit on the long side because I have a stubby little forehead. It's like a 3.5 head, so I'm just going to sweep that off to the side. The crown down is 10.25 inches, the sides are 7 inches, and the nape is 3.5, so she's quite short in the back, but not super short, you know, nice and chin length all the way around. No steep gradients, nothing wacky, and she is a little longer in the front just so she cups the face. Now just note, if you heat style this wig to the point where it no longer cups that face, you're going to have to use heat again to get it to do that. So just a little FYI there. Let me go ahead and take Classic Cut off for you so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Here's that color up close for you. It's a really pretty color. It's just almost a medium blonde. Almost. So here is the top of Classic Cut. As you can see, she's got a little bit of permatease all the way around the top and a very generous monofilament crown insert. It's about double the size of what you'll see on most monofilament crown inserts. We have open wefts on the side, open wefts in the back. It does not have an extended nape, but it does have a big band of felt back here that you can use for the Velcro adjusters. Classic Cut is very stretchy in the back, which is great. or at least here on the perimeter, she's really stretchy. Not so stretchy here in the back, but she is a memory cap wig, which is a very special kind of elastic that some of these Raquel Welch wigs tend to have. It lets out very quickly, but then it retains its shape after it's done conforming to the shape of your head, so that's very nice. You don't have to worry so much about the wig getting too loosey-goosey. So very nice feel to this true life fiber, especially right out of the box. It's very silky. I feel a bit like Sia when this thing is unkempt. Did you see that when I swept this off to the side? It is not a lace front, so she does have like these little baby hairs almost. There you have it. This has been my review of the classic cut wig by Raquel Welch in the color Shaded Biscuit, otherwise known as RL19/23SS. Again, not a platinum. It just has a really light blonde blended into it at the highlight. So I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have any time to spare, please check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.